see the mountain and party, 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 party. See all of that sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them, listen, follow me, follow me, follow me. Everyone may go the mountain, more rush me. So a pretty boy, you want to love me. I mean, them love. Yes, I mean, them love. See them, you know me, see them, me sexy. Everyone may come and send me every day. I mean, them love. Yes, I mean, them love. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. You need a shotgun, shotgun. All of me, man, all of her. Mercy, mercy, mercy. The money, my party, 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 party. See all of that sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them, listen, follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. Banana, tell them, movie, movie, movie. Tiger, I wet me, want you, want you, want you. Only you can make me irate, irate, irate. Roughneck, one on a day. Beat on me, bodily, come me head top. Me no one on a day. Me no one on a day. He's the rubber, you're the shine, man, dear. Want to be my love and I want to be my friend to the very end. To the very end. But I want somebody who's loving everybody. It's a shotgun, all of me, man, all of them. Mercy, mercy, mercy. The money, but not the party, party, party. See all of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them, listen, follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. Banana, tell them, movie, movie, movie. Shy guy, I let me want it, want it, want it. Only you can make me irate, irate, irate. Have mercy, 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 mercy. Come on, come on. Let me see. I'm a sexy. Lord of mercy. Somebody wanna hear you. Put all you want and not in your let me ice you. If you wanna then they don't wanna see you. It's dedicated to all the shaman do. Somebody wanna hear you. Put all you want and not in your let me ice you. If you wanna then they don't wanna see you. It's dedicated to all the shaman do. But I don't want somebody who's loving everybody. It is shotgun, all of everybody. Mercy, mercy, mercy. I'm doing it sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Want to, shotgun. Come on.
Yeah. Here's another one.
I put a new life, you would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How could a person like me care for you? I went to a bottle with
gonna be on the R&B, the sky is black. Yes, a reggae song, wanna sing lahat. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the strings bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones of today. Toast to the ones that we lost in a way. 'Cause the strings bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yo. There's a time that I remember that I did not know no pain. When I believe in forever and everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, but everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the strings bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones of today. Toast to the ones that we lost in the way. 'Cause the strings bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, yo. Memories bring back, Memories bring back, yo. There's a time that I remember that I did not know no pain. When I felt all the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feel like an ember and it's lighting up the dark. I carry those searches for you, 'cause I know I'll never drop. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones who were dead. Toast to the ones that we lost in the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, yo. Memories bring back, yo. Memories bring back, Memories bring back, yo. Memories bring back, yo.
Di naman ako nagmamadali. Natatakot na ako na baka ay mauli. Ayokong magsisi na hindi ko nasabi, habang ang puso mo ay wala pang may-ari. Oo, nais ko mawagsan. Ito ng iyong puso para sa'yo. May gagawin ang lahat, makamit lang ang pag-ibig mo. Kung ika'y akin,
Pisik-pisik ka muna, marami ang namamataan. Sa maling akala, sa maling akala, yeah, yeah.
Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting gusto, di ba?
One more time.
Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting gusto, lumalaki.
Hindi mo maibabago sa limot at bahala kapag nahuli na ka. Sa maling akala.
Thank you so much, sir. Woo! More blessings to come.
Come on. Ibig na pag-ibig, parang biglang puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mong binulang. Di mo man lang napansin ang iyong pagdating. Daig mo ba ang isang bagyo na sa malayo? Ihig ng hangin, biglang nag-iba. Sinundan ka ng kulog at kidlat. Sa biglang buhos ng iyo sa akin, ako'y napakanta. Higit na pag-ibig, parang bilang puso ko tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulang. Higit na pag-ibig, parang bilang puso
Alright, habang
Kumakain
kumakain
tayo.
po tayo, we will give you
More songs. At siyempre, batiin naman natin yung mga nanonood sa ating live
Yes.
ngayon. And siyempre, magpasalamat tayo sa Utleg family, to Ma'am
Yes.
Raquel and Sir Gilbert
Gilbert.
Lagpakan, to Sir Luisito Cruz,
Sir Jesse Dalinog,
Mercedito Agbayani,
Ma'am Gemma and Sir L.A. Cadalina,
Sir Roger Arieta.
to Ma'am Imelda Ventura,
Happy Ogale to Beshi,
to Ma'am
Sir Rod
Lorelai
Pagaragan.
and
Iris
Silver,
Pagaragan, and Lorelai Gali and Silver Gali. Iron. Sino pa ba?
that never lets me sleep. Turn my mind down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse
This time I'd like to give you a made love hits from Kenny Rogers. Lady, for so many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Forever, let me wake to see each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I saw no one else but you. There's no other love like I love. And yes, oh yes, I always want you near me. I've waited for you for so long. Lady, your love's the only love I need. And beside me is where I want you to be. 'Cause my love, there's something I want you to know. You're the love of my life. You're mine. Another song from Kenny Rogers. Like a ride with no reason, and an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along. And you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining soft in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything in someone's home. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Habang po kayo ay kumakain, yan. Magbigay muna tayo ng a song from the Carpenters.
Yes. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you want near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled this in your hair, of gold and starlight in your eyes so blue. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled dust in your hair, of gold and starlight in your eyes so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
the day I must face the world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I am up singing. Trouble seems to walk and disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can't really lose when you're near. When you're near, my friends have forgotten how their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I've found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. This was such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wonder where they go. Back there, back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every show, every one still shines. Every shimmering light that is starting to seem so fine. When they get to the bar where he's breaking your heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. It was the songs of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me. It's yesterday once more. The hardest thing of every time is keep believing someone in this place work for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. Freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be loved. I know I wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection over quite a perfect world. And fooling off the thing, that's what I find. I know I need to be loved. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection over quite a perfect world. Pulling up the thing, that's what I found. We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face. But lately little changes have been slowly taking place. We can take each other for everything we are, or live the life we've made behind and make another start. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free.
You're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Alright, and that was a song coming from the Carpenters. Ayan, magpalakpakan naman po tayong lahat.
Sa in front.
Sumala tayo na po, di ba mo nga, the premyo na idinalay na sumala.
Aha, malayo.
Papitura.
It happened in old Oklahoma.
sumayaw. Parang nagkakahiyaan pa.
Napapainit pa sa
Medyo-
mga katawan.
Okay. I-try natin yung request ni Sir. A song from Ray Valera.
Valera.
Okay. Here we go.
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Sir Pedro, dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa
Thank
man.
you so much.
Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Oh, and a trumpet, Sir Roosevelt. And once again, this song is dedicated to Sir Pedro. Mali man ang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang hula na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. All right, thank you so much. A song from Ray Valera. And once again, that song's dedicated to Sir Pedro. At maraming salamat po sa ibinigay na compliment. Thank you so much.
Alright, this one is dedicated once again to Sir Angel. And
Okay, and this song will give you an
Bootleg
Ilocano
family.
song. Yan, para katatay amin. Especially para sa nag-request.
All right, ang Ilocano song. Sa diniwan, ayan mo biyak si kalain di ka masursuro biyak ko alipate uray pa'y adda akton ijay kanin sa inuman di ayan mo biyak ko kaya't kukumahin ka naipudno si kakanayon di harap ako ketikan ko mapukaw dito'y lagip ko uray pa'y ang labas nitawid kikariken ka nga si kalain di ka masursuro biyak ko alipate uray pa'y alka akton ijay tanin uray pa'y alka akton ijay tanin. Alright, ang perfect song sa Halio Followers Sonata para kanya. Thank you so much.
Alright, ayan. Maraming salamat po sa nag-request ng Sika. Asan na yung
Yes.
nag-request ng Sika?
Sir Angel. Ayan, para sa nag-request.
Diyan maamin pananglipot mo kakaiso ng ayat ko pinagsagaba itilinto napudno ang puso awan na kurangan Jagamot nagbasula Apoy ngayon ka lang na
this song dedicated to Sir Charlie.
Alright.
Color.
At dahil sa kantang yan,
Nagbigay lang naman si Sir ng
nang
1,000 pesos and 200 pesos.
Esso Hard Versus
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
sir. Alright, once again,
Amom, nagsarsara kayo iti naimas nga luto iti
Panganan.
or anyaman nga okasyon.
Yes.
Sarakan nyo lang apo ni
catering by Ella, Ma'am Ella Gawiran of Silka and Ethan's Kitchenette from Barangay 14, San Nicolas.
Yes, ikay lang iti Barangay 14 San Nicolas.
Yes. Sarakan nyo lang apo na.
Naimas piluto da apo.
Yeah.
Mapapasarap ka talaga. Mapapayami. Okay.
Yumlicious.
Anyway, maraming salamat once again to Sir.
Angel.
And Sir
Sir Charlie.
Charlie.
Calamaro. Calaramo.
Kalaramo.
O Kalalam. Kalaramo pala.
Parang gutom pa rin ah.
Akala ko Kalama.
Okay, ano pa yung, parang medyo lumalamig na ha?
Rafon.
Yes.
Rafon.
ulit. Medyo lumalamig kaya
Hindi, pasayawin
mag-rapol.
muna natin
Ay,
sila
oo.
ng ano ba yung gusto nyo? Dayang-dayang,
Balsi.
sweet,
Dayang-dayang.
balse,
Rock,
Aguni-
disco.
Ay,
Aguni kayo,
dayang-dayang
man.
daw.
Ay, dayang-dayang. Okay,
Sige.
sige.
Ayan, sumalat ay angin. Para mas ma-enjoy. Alright.
Kaya ikaw sa punan ng bansa ko'y tarik na. Wow! Itsakay aging puhunan sabay kumakain ng sumbata. Oo, aya't napilit ka, tuy pusok pinayawan. Ni ating abalasang, sabay kumakain ng sumbata.
Alright, maraming salamat.
Alright.
At yan, ulit, raffle ulit.
Raffle!
Raffle. Magbunot ulit tayo ng...
Wensi.
When man ang glassy, iso feeling.
Iso,
Okay.
So, feeling.
Anti-feeling.
Feeling.
Nafe-feel ko ngayon yung kanta. Okay.
Oo, sarap ng feeling mo, no?
Oo. Yun ang sabi.
Ano bang ginagawa mo? Parang problemado ka. Iniwan ka ng jowa mo. Ipinapalit sa bangka. Ouch! Masakit ka na sa first time.
Ayaw mo ng 1.5.
Pag-iwan ka ng jowa mo.
Pero gusto 150.
Ipinapalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Kung nasakit ang katayan, gamutin ko sika. Nasakit ang katayan, gamutin ko sika. Nasakit ang katayan, gamutin ko sika. Nasakit ang katayan ka, hemakurisika ka sakit, 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 sakit. Hemadaling sa ligaan, kasakit, sakit, kasakit, sakit. Hemadaling sa Lagi ka nalang tulala, pumapatak ang iyong luha. Ang buhay ay ganyan talaga, mabuti pang mag-move on ka na. Masakit talaga sa first time, pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Ouch! Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwan ka pa. Kung nasakit ang katayanan, gamutin mo sika. Nasakit ang katayanan, gamutin mo sika. Masakit ang katayanan, gamutin mo sika. Masakit ang katayanan, hemakurisika. Kasakit, sakit, kasakit, sakit. Hemadaling sa ligaan. Kasakit, sakit, kasakit, sakit. Hemadaling sa ligaan.
Idol.
Go. Yay! Alright, pagsalante amin na po.
Eh, mabalik na ipin dito sa salunan. Pagkakas na enjoy. Simple pa'y ramdam mo, ngay ka masimpan. Gusto malatay na espero años felicidad. I wanna wish you a happy new year. I wanna wish you a happy new year. Thank you for wish you a happy new year from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a happy new year. I wanna wish you a happy new year. I wanna wish you a happy new year from the bottom of my heart.
Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Thank you, Tatay. More blessings to come.
Feliz Navidad, prospero año y feliz. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
Alright, thank you so much for sharing your blessings.
Actually to Otleg family,
Yes.
maraming salamat. Ang dami nilang
Blessings.
napasaya ngayong gabi. Grabe. Okay. Sayawan na, come on! Come on!
Let's go.
Siyempre mga yamok mong kapagod makichaming lang ang tanan Ibingan sa tugtog sabay si Jen Jen Akong omega umatayog sa ulo Para maminaw sa sunatan Nagilidan pa sa bukid Sa kong amigo nga atyo kaayo Hey! Kamu palit na pugaret Sabi lumatyalag ka ha Mubantalya making istorya sa tindera Baliin kong may nakabantay Kay guyang kong mabasa sa silingan Na nagsunod-sunod Kanang bukangan Mama pa istoryahon Gusto na, ayan ka na naman Ang hiling ko sa'yo ay wag pa sobra
Sayaw na.
Gumamit lang ng tama na kaya pag-ipan Huwag ka lilimutan, sermon ni Lesper Here we go! Hey, 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 ah. Woo! Hey, 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 ah.
Ang galing.
Olivia's Rhythm. Ikaw pangutang ang inyong atapok Kasabay ang amigo o amiga Tagay-tagay lang si Jejeno Subiba Sa pulsa palihog ko sa lighter Kaya ako ang damon Ang bangkok lamesa sa area Kung magkatugaw maskin lang ako May birong walay may ginagalaw ka kayo Ako maglabo Isod ako makatong Ha 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 Kakala ko na imo ka isok Hinambo ko po pinalayo Kakala ko na imo ka isok Ayaw sige hinambo ko po pinalayo Kakala ko na imo ka isok Ayaw sige hinambo ko po pinalayo Kakala ko na imo ka isok Ayaw sige hinambo ko po pinalayo
Let's go.
Hey, 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 ah. Hey, 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 ah. Olivia's Rhythm.
Thank you po, Sir Angel.
Nakala ko na imo ka isok Ayo sige hinambo ko po pinalayo Nakala ko na imo ka isok Ayo sige hinambo ko po pinalayo Nakala ko na imo ka
Thank you so
isok
much,
Ayo
sir.
sige hinambo
Sir,
ko po
maraming
pinalayo
butas pa.
Nakala ko na
Sir, marami
isok,
pa yung
ayaw
butas,
sige
oh.
hinambo ko po pinalayo
Let's go.
Hey, 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 ah. Hey, 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 ah.
our final song before we say goodnight to everyone. And maraming salamat po sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na si Sir Angel at saka si Ma'am Ermelie. Maraming salamat.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Congratulations sa mga nanalo! More blessings of our life family and Sir Angel and Ma'am Ermelie.
Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat at may gabing nakalaan sa dobiting kasiyahan.
Dede time.
Dede pa.
Dede time.
Gusto ko yan?
Ay! Hoy! Wari ko anak ko.
Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat at sa pagbawi ng uhaw ay may darating na araw. Kahit kami ay ating samahan sa lungkot na kaligayahan. Kaibigan na salamat sa salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan.
Nagutom.
Samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan. Tunay na kaibigan na salamat sa salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat, tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, walang kapatasan. Salamat sa'yo.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa mga ating salamat po sa manunood. Yes, maraming salamat po sa pag-invite niyo po sa amin ngayong gabi. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo at sa mga nanalo, congratulations at mga blessing na ating natanggap. Thank you so much.
Yes, and to Sir Angel and Ma'am Ermelie, thank you so much for inviting us.
Most especially the Otleg family.
Yes,
Happy
ayan.
Thanksgiving.
At syempre, kung nabitin po kayo sa panonood, you can catch us on our Facebook page, R&B Bank New Page, sa ating YouTube channel, na R&B and the Side Street Band.
Yes, good night everyone.